Hey guys, my name is Alexis and I'm an outreach instructor for the Freshwater Fisheries Society of BC. Today, my colleague Phil and I are going to teach you how to cast both a level wind and a centerpin reel, the two most popular reels used for salmon and steelhead fishing while in a river. A level wind reel is a great option when drift fishing for salmon or steelhead and when long casts are required to cover a lot of water. Typically, they're paired with a 9 to 11 foot drift rod. Unlike a spinning reel, the level wind reel always faces upward. Now, the reel has a star drag located on the side and a spool tension knob. Spool tension allows you to fine-tune how fast your line comes off the reel in free spool, as higher spool tension will reduce tangles when you're starting out. Now to cast, first you're going to hold your thumb on the line to stop the spool from turning when in free spool, and then you're going to press the free spool button down with the bottom of your thumb. Bring the rod back along your side and gently cast it out. No need to whip it. The harder you cast, the more likely you are to tangle. If you're finding you're getting a lot of backlash and tangles, try slightly tightening the spool tension. Centerpins are a great option to achieve a drag-free drift and provide the most line control when fishing rivers for salmon or steelhead. Centerpin rods are typically pretty long, they're up to about 13 feet. A centerpin reel has no drag. Your hand has to act as the drag and it controls the line coming off the reel. So when you're casting, we want to position our index and middle fingers between the spool and the rod to act as a brake. Now make sure your clicker's off, then you're going to bring your rod back to your side. As you do this, ease your fingers off the spool to allow it to gain momentum, and then in one motion you're going to swing it forward, using your fingers to gently brake again, coming to a full stop before your float hits the water. Never take your hand completely off the spool. If you don't brake before your float hits the water, you're going to have line tangled everywhere. Now, using your fingers as brakes, release just enough to allow your setup to gently float downstream until you've covered a good distance, and then you're going to reel back in and cast out again.